And talk about, I would love to get this guy once upon a surgery. Talk about the guy who got the tummy tuck so he could do more construction work.
It's amazing. This guy comes in. He's a Polish guy, hardworking construction worker, and one of the least suspecting people you'd ever have of even getting anything done. And he had a little bit of the belly going, and he had a roll at the bottom, And so
and that, like, with he
said it got in his way, and so he wanted a tummy tuck for to just continue his work.
I mean, so
Oh, he looked amazing. He was great. He wasn't one of these guys, who goes out after work and
right. It
going
wasn't.
about town.
It didn't seem like it was
He's
for
a guy
vanity.
who goes home and
Okay.
has a few beers and
Right,
whatever.
right.